Rob and I are making tamales tonight. Making the masa, corn masa for chicken tamales. About got it finished. And we use shortening and lard for this, along with some of the chicken broth with fat. Looks like our masa is about finished. It needs to be very well mixed. Now, as you can see here, my dough does not stick to my hands, but it's moist. And that's what you need. You need something that's squishy, like Play-Doh almost. But it's somewhat sticky, but it doesn't stick to my hands, see? So it'll go into a ball, so I can shape it, flatten and spread it, see? There you go. Hey, perfect time to make tamales and listen to a Neil Diamond song. See? Before I forget, I wanted to let you know too, when you make tamales, you want the smooth side here, the smoothest side. On this side, it's a lot rougher. And so, but you want the smoothest side. This is important because you don't want the masa sticking to all these little ridges. So this one here is the rough side, and when I turn it over, this is the more smooth side, and it's a lot smoother. And so that's how you want to do that one. So I've got a few of these pressed. I'm just about ready to bring Rob in. As you can tell, I've set this up on the tortilla press, and now I'm going to flatten it. And I'm just pressing like that on it, because I don't really want to use the handle because that'll make it really thin. And then you lift it up, and whoops, just lift, that part got bent, but you lift it up, and now you can actually see I've got the masa in there, and you put your meat in the center. Getting ready to start. I hope I have it all assembled and I haven't forgotten everything. Oh, I forgot my pan to put the tamales in. Forgot the pan to put the tamales in. I'll have to get that over there because it's easier to assemble and set up. And here is the pan. I'm putting the tamales in. This time, instead of the corn husk, I went ahead and added a parchment paper to the top here. And that will help keep the water from getting into the tamales. And it'll probably be packed full and need to steam for about 40 minutes or longer. Well, I'll bring you back when I get some of these babies rolled up. Bringing it all up to steaming so I can set the timer. I'm going to set the timer for about an hour. But if we turn it real low and just steam it, maintain the steam, you can go an hour and a half. These are the chicken and green chili tamales we made. This is the batch waiting to be cooked. And we have a full tamale pan filled with some more just like these. I am so excited they all actually turned out. So I'll show you the grand reveal of how many tamales we did in a bit. But for right now, this batch is steaming right in there. And you know who we are? Of course. That batch goes in for probably 40 minutes. Okay, doesn't this look good? Green chili chicken tamales.
How can I forget something like that?
Oh, yummy.
I mean, it's almost like
Here is what we have so far. There's how many in this one? 23 tamales in this pan. And we have all of these that Rob's loading up right now. And they're going to be laid in so that these can cook. And I got to admit, guys, this was a job. And I forgot an important step. And if this was a tutorial, I just would have had a big problem here, because I realized after watching the videos that I did that I did not get the part where we wrapped them. And wrapping was a madcap adventure. It was not even fun. All the stuffing, putting the meat in and trying to wrap it, and oh gosh, that was a major learning curve. But we succeeded, and we got pretty good at it, and they taste fantastic. So anyway, this is our very first attempt at making the tamales, and this has been, what, 4 days of making tamales, Rob?
Yep.
Yep. 4 days. So I'm real tired of making tamales. I don't know when or if we'll ever do it again, but I had to get it on video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, like, subscribe, feel free to share, and if you like Off-Grid Adventures, go ahead and ring that bell. You have a beautiful day. Bye.